friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen garlic nuts in the air fryer. So these are just nice little frozen breads called garlic nuts. So I'm going to take out the air fryer basket, just open the package of garlic nuts, and put them in the air fryer, straight from frozen. No need to defrost. So just put them in a single layer. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 6 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. They look amazing. Look at these garlic nuts, so perfectly browned. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Look perfect. And they're so soft too, see? Air fryer is perfect for cooking them. Now let's try it. Look at this texture. Looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Perfectly cooked inside and so nicely golden brown on the outside. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen garlic nuts. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!